Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of 3D printing and how you can turn your ideas into a steady stream of income. Excited? Let's get started. First off, what exactly is 3D printing? Well, it's a process where you create solid objects from a digital file by layering materials. Think of it as bringing your digital designs to life. Now the real question, how do you make money with it? Let's start with the basics, selling 3D printed products. You can design and print unique items like customized phone cases, jewelry, or even home decor. Platforms like Etsy and eBay are perfect for showcasing and selling your creations. The key here is to find a niche and offer something that stands out. Next up, offering 3D printing services. Not everyone owns a 3D printer, but many people have ideas they'd love to see materialize. You can cater to these needs by printing items for others. Websites like 3D Hubs and TreatStock allow you to list your services and connect with clients. It's like being a mini manufacturing hub. Another fantastic way to earn is by prototyping for startups and inventors. Many businesses need prototypes for their products but don't have the resources to create them. Your 3D printing skills can bridge that gap. It's a high-demand sector, and you can charge a premium for your expertise. Let's not forget about education. If you're knowledgeable about 3D printing, consider creating online courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare are great places to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Plus, you're helping others learn a valuable skill. Lastly, think about digital products. You can design and sell 3D printable files. Sites like My Mini Factory and Thingiverse allow you to upload your designs and sell them to a global audience. No physical inventory needed. Alright folks, that's a wrap on how to make money with 3D printing. Remember, creativity and consistency are key. Start small, experiment, and scale up. The possibilities are endless. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.